In today's video, I'm going to teach you, here's how to create your first relational database in Notion. If you've ever wanted your information to talk to each other across different tables, this is exactly what a relational database does. It lets you connect items in one table to items in another, so you can keep data tidy and still see how everything fits together. Start by opening Notion and creating a new table. This will be your first database. Think of it as your main list, like projects or clients. Notion tables are just databases with rows and columns, and each column is called a property. You can keep the default properties for now. The important part is simply having the table set up. Next, create a second table on a new page. Keeping it on a separate page helps you focus and keeps your workspace organized. This second table could represent related items, like tasks for each project or orders for each client. Again, just a simple table is perfect at this stage. Now go back to your first table. At the top of the table, click the option to add a property, usually labeled plus add property. This is where you define the type of data a column will hold. From the property types, choose Relation. Relation is special because it connects this table to another database in your workspace. When Notion prompts you, choose the second table you created to connect it. You can search by the table's name and select it from the list. After you confirm, Notion will add a new relation column to your first table. This column will hold links to items in the second table, creating the bridge between your data. To start linking, click inside any cell of the relation column in the first table. You'll see a small menu that lets you search and select items from the second table. When you make a selection, Notion creates a live connection between the two entries. If you open the linked item in the second table, you'll notice it reflects the connection back to the first table as well. That's the relational magic, a two-way link that keeps both sides in sync. As you work, you can keep names clean and clear so it's obvious what each table represents, and use the relation column to tie your information together. That way, you maintain one source of truth while still seeing context at a glance. And that's how you create your first relational database in Notion. Quick and simple.